This video will show you how to use the Directional Movement Index to build an automated scalping strategy. The DMI is a handy indicator that helps catch the direction in which a price of an asset is moving. This script aims to capture swings in the DMI, thus using a contrarian approach in the asset trend. The strategy buys when the negative DI is greater than the positive DI and the ADX is greater than 45. It will sell when the positive DI is greater than the negative DI on a high ADX. In this example, the strategy opened and closed the trade with a 3% gain in a few hours. You can read more about the strategy in the link in the description. The strategy works better on a very low time frame, such as 1 minute. Once you define the trading pair you want to test, you can apply the strategy to see the results on historical data. You'll find the strategy in the list of indicators and script on TradingView. The script includes a fee of 0.1% for more realistic returns. If you are happy with the strategy's performance, you are ready to set the strategy on Coinrule. Set up the buy and sell signals and the related actions. Once you click on launch, you'll get the summary, which will show you the data to copy and paste to set up an alert on TradingView. Make sure the webhook URL is correct, and then copy and paste the message. Depending on the signal provided by the strategy, TradingView will send a buy or sell alert. Now the alert is set up, you can launch the rule live on Coinrule. Trade safely.